Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect to an Excel or CSV file on SharePoint or OneDrive using Power Query. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft OneDrive account using your credentials. This gives you access to all your stored files and allows you to retrieve the necessary link for Power Query integration. After logging in, wait a moment while the system loads your dashboard. You'll be taken to your main OneDrive interface where you can see all your stored files and folders. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll notice several navigation tabs listed vertically. Look for and click on the tab labeled My Files. This section displays all the documents, spreadsheets, and other files you've synced to your OneDrive account, making it easy to locate what you need. Now, browse through your files and find the specific Excel or CSV file you want to connect to Power Query. Once you've located it, click on the small checkmark box next to the file name to select it. This selection is important because it activates additional options in your toolbar. After selecting the file, look at the top portion of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Details. Click on it, and the panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. This panel contains all the relevant information about your selected file, including its size, modification date, and sharing settings. Within this Details panel, scroll down carefully until you reach the section labeled Path. This is where OneDrive stores the direct link to your file's location. Next to the path information, you'll see a button that says Copy Direct Link. Click on this button to copy the file's full path to your clipboard. This link is what Power Query will use to establish a connection to your file, so it's a crucial step in the process. Once you've successfully copied the file path, open your Power BI application and load the project where you want to connect this Excel or CSV file. Direct your attention to the top toolbar of your Power BI interface. Look for and click on the Get Data drop-down menu. This menu provides various options for importing data from different sources. From the list that appears, select Web. This option allows you to import data using a direct URL or file path. A web import window will now appear on your screen. In the input field provided, paste the file path you copied earlier from OneDrive. Make sure the entire link is pasted correctly without any extra spaces or missing characters. After pasting the path, click on OK. Power BI will now establish a connection to your OneDrive file and begin loading the data into your project. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Excel or CSV file from OneDrive to Power Query, allowing you to work with live data directly from your cloud storage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.